In this video, we'll discuss about module number 5. And the topic is linear algebra. In this topic, we discussed Gauss elimination method. So already we discussed the how to find the consistency of type of solution, how to find the unknown variables. Okay. So here, this is also another method how to find the unknown variables by using the Gauss elimination method. Here, the process is same. Already, if you understand the rank of matrix, the same procedure here we applied the rank of matrix and also the type of solution, the consistency of type of solution, the same concept here applied. Okay, so Gauss elimination method. Gauss is the mathematician name and elimination method. So consider a system of three independent equation and three unknowns. Just consider a three independent equation and three unknowns. Okay, so x1 unknowns is x1, x2, x3, and a11, a12, a13, b1 is a constant. Okay, so by using Gauss elimination method, how to find the value of x1 and x2 and x3, we will discuss about in this video. How to find uh, the variable of x1, x2 and x3, the value of x1 and x2. So first I explain the working procedure. What is the procedure, how to solve the matrix. Okay, so just to consider the three equation and three unknown variables. Okay, the system of equivalent to the matrix is equation ax equal to b. Clear? What is a? Already last video I explained. A is the coefficient of matrix. Okay, so what is the coefficient in the first row is a11, a12, a13, and a21, a22, a23, and a31, a32, a33. This is the coefficient of matrix. So that is a and x. What is x? X is the variables, unknown variables, unknown function. That is x1, x2, and x3. There are three x1, x2, and x3. And so ax equal to b. So clearly this is b. b1, b2, b3. Okay. So the method aims to reducing the coefficient of matrix A to an upper triangular matrix. The process is nothing. We have to make the matrix is upper triangular matrix. We have to create the matrix is upper triangular matrix. So the augmented matrix AB where A11, this is A clearly, and this one is B. Okay, so we have to create upper triangular matrix. That meaning is we have to make here 0, here 0, here 0. Okay, so clearly first we have to make here 0, that is the step 1, and next step we have to make here 0, that is the step 2, and next one see we use the element a1 not equal to 0. Okay, so a1 not equal to 0 to make the element a21 and a31 0 by elementary row transformation. So already I explained the in the process the rank of matrix. So a11 not equal to 0 and a21, a31 we have to make 0 by elementary row transformation. That is the step 1. So next step 2, we use the element a21 not equal to 0. Okay, this one don't touch here. So next we have to make a32 0 by elementary row transformation like this. Okay, so we get the upper triangular matrix. That's alpha. Okay, this is if you did this one. Next we can compare the matrix and the coefficient. Okay, that is a33. So the first equation, this is the first equation. So a11 into x, and this is y, and this is z, or x1, x2, and this is x3. So a11 into x1 plus a12 into x2 plus a13 into x3 equal to b1. It's the first equation. And come to this the second equation. Here x equal to 0, x1 and y1 is there. So a22 into x2 plus a23 into x3 equal to b2. Okay. The next one, here x1 is 0, x2 is 0, only we get x3. So a33 into x3 equal to b3. So clearly if you solve this one, we get x3 value from the last equation. After that, can substitute here, we get x2, then x3 and x2 value substitute here, we get x1. Clear? If you want to x3, then taking this constant in opposite direction, we get x3 value. X3 value substitute in equation 2, we get x2 value. X3 and x2 value substitute in equation 1, we get x1 value. So by using this method, easily we find the value of unknown variables. Okay, so now we'll discuss the problem, the first problem. So the question is, solve the following system of equation by Gauss elimination method. Okay, there are two method is there. One is Gauss elimination, another one is Gauss Jordan method. Next video I explain the Gauss Jordan method. So read the question carefully by using the Gauss elimination method. So this is the system of equation, x plus y plus z equal to 1, and another equation is x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 8, and another equation 2x plus y minus z. Now we can, the equation of the form is ax equal to b. Here, what is a? A is the coefficient of given matrix. So the first row is 1 1 1 and 1 minus 2 3 and 2 1 minus 1. Okay, and what is ax? X is the unknown variables, that is here ax y z equal to b. B is a constant, that is 183. Clear? So the augmented matrix, okay, the augmented matrix a into b is to b, we get this matrix. So what is our aim? Our aim to make upper triangular matrix. So that meaning is we have to make here 0, here 0, here 0. So we'll follow one by one. First, if you make here 0, just subtract R2 and R1. That's all. So in R2, I just subtract R2 minus R1. Each and every element you subtract, we get 0, minus 3, 2, minus 1. So entire row you can subtract. Clear? This is 0. And come to next here 2. Here 2 and here 1. So just I multiply minus 2 into R1. After that I add R3. Okay. So in the R3, I subtract minus 2 into R1 plus R3. You can write R3 minus 2 R1, or you can write like this, minus 2 on R1 plus R3. It's our wish. Okay. So if you're doing this one, we get here 0 on the first one, and second one here 0. Next, we have to make here 0 by using the second row. If don't use the first row, if you can use the first row, definitely your values will get. If you add first 1 and 3, simply if you add 1 and 3, definitely you will get here value. So that is the wrong process. So just you compare this word. Okay, so this is minus 3, this is minus 1. So there are many more procedures. So R3, in R3 I'm doing just I multiply minus 3 into R3. Okay, and I add R2. Why I multiply minus 3 into R3? If you multiply, this is plus 3, and if you multiply, this is 9, and if you multiply like this. So if you add this one, we get 0. Okay, you can following, or if you divided 3, 1 divided by 3 means that is also correct, but don't be take a risk. Okay, you can choose the simple way. So R2, I just multiply minus 3 into R3 and plus R2. If you add, you get this matrix. So clearly this is the upper triangular matrix. So that's all. Now compare the equation. So first equation, this is x y z. The equation form is x plus y plus z equal to 9. The second equation, minus 3y plus 2z equal to minus 1. This is the equation 1, and this is the equation 2. And third one is 11z equal to 44. So here x is 0, y is 0, here x is 0. So we get 11z equal to 44. So z equal to 4. Taking this up, substitute z value here, we get y value. Substitute x and y value here, we get z value. So this is y equal to 3, x equal to 2, and z equal to 4. Okay. So how to verify the equation is correct or wrong? So the value is right or wrong? Just you substitute x and y and z equation in the x, y, z value in the any three equation that given the question. If the condition satisfied, right hand side equal to left hand side, definitely your answer is correct. Okay. If not satisfied, your answer is wrong. This is the verification method. Okay. So